Okay, so this is going to be Cunha, and we're going to go down this busy street, and we're going to keep on going down left, down another busy street with the bus going by. But you can see all of the tourists that go through, and we're going to lift our camera up high so you can see into all of that. And it's kind of a little bit of a bottleneck right in there, but we're going to go through it all and show you what it looks like. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So now we're getting, the lights are just coming on just right. So we're gonna follow this crowd and we're gonna go down this busy street. I'll lift the camera high up in the air, and then we're also gonna capture the street that's kind of the main other street in this area as well. It's crowded. So today is a crowded day. Every day is crowded here. It was strange because I was here for COVID for all 3 years, right? And there was nobody around. The streets was completely empty. Businesses were shutting down and this street is called Cunha. It's kind of, they also call it food street sometimes too. And we're gonna do 2 streets. So we're gonna start out here. And then we're gonna go all the way down the other one. So it kind of gives you some context to the area. And this street and the other street are probably the 2 main streets. In case you're curious, a lot of people are getting the Lord Stowe's Bakery right now, and they also get the beef opal over there as well, and the beef opal over here too. So there's a lot of restaurants that people will line up on this particular street. I guess that line is long. Oh yeah, look at this line. So that line goes all the way down. So all this whole line is all to the Lord Stowe's Bakery. And the Lord Stowe bakeries are everywhere throughout the city, but this is a popular street. So for a lot of tourists, they wouldn't, well, it's easier if you're here already to go to the one you're at. But yeah, that's a line for Lord Stowe's Bakery. Okay. That is kind of cool though. Okay, so we're gonna head down this way. Okay. So we're gonna go all the way down. We're gonna go down this street, which is almost the end already, and then we're gonna go down another kind of restaurant street. So you're gonna see the 2 main restaurant streets in Taipa village. Another long line. Wow, look at that. So it's another long line there. Okay. Another long line down there. They have submarines. It says Submarine Cafe. Okay. So this is called Cunha, or Rua de Cunha. And we're going to come up to the end of this street in a moment. And then we're going to go to the left, and we're going to go down another kind of main restaurant street. Then this opens up into this kind of nice space. We're gonna show you, I'll show you what they're taking a picture of in a minute as well. But there's more light show stuff, but I think it comes on maybe around 7 p.m. It's about 6:15 or 6:20. So that's the street that everybody's taking the videos of, photos of. It really does look nice. Yeah, that's like perfect timing of the evening as well, isn't it? Okay, so we're going to slowly turn this way. Then we're going to go down our other restaurant street, other food street. Let's go down this way. More long lines. And then you can see Taipa Central right there, the downtown. That's where most of us live. And then over here is where more restaurants, and so that's there's a lot over there too. Of course, people call that just the Nike store. So that's a reference point for meeting people. Meet you at the Nike store. Okay, so now we're on Regador Street, and we're gonna walk down Regador. Pretty busy. Dumbo restaurant is the first one you're gonna see, and in the background you're gonna see Galaxy Casino. That's at the end of the street. We're gonna walk all the way down that way. So Dumbo restaurant. Dumbo is a Portuguese, like a well-known Portuguese one where tourists will go. That's funny, I don't really hear about Dumbo outside of the Walt Disney 1960s or 1970s film. I wonder how many people know the reference. What? Among the younger generations. That's a massage shop. And then this little square has some pizza, some beef au pau, and some places to sit as well. But it's a nice little plaza. Okay. So let's keep on going. You got the street lights up. You have lots of restaurants on the other side. Some on this side too, but you can see Portu, which is a Portuguese restaurant. Little bottleneck of people here. Let's try to go through that. Tuk is a Thai restaurant right over there. Might go on that side. Let's see here. Navigate this a little bit. Cafe Taipa, which I think is Malcanese, I think. This one is a kind of a well-known one, winning a lot of awards. So that particular one, you can see the Galaxy Casino in the distance now. So straight over there is Galaxy. So that one that we just filmed, it's that opened up during COVID, maybe about 2 years ago. I think it was the last year of COVID that it opened up. I've been here for 10 years, by the way. So I came in 2013. So there's certain things that I noticed. They got a concert over here, by the way, tonight. It's a K-pop Korean one. So there's an Olympic Stadium over there. There's even some people watching it from up there. So K-pop is very popular here. You can hear the crowds, right? Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down our Target Street fish restaurant. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, they had Blackpink was here not too long ago, and that was at right over there at the Galaxy Casino. There was so many people. I think it brought in Macau is always bringing in a lot of people, but it brought in even more. So this one is a little bit of a stadium tonight, an event. So they made this into pedestrian street. Sun is nice tonight too. Yeah, look at that sun. It's nice and purple. So we can't really see what's going on, I don't think. I guess the crowds can see them. I guess they're up in there. So you can definitely hear it. Okay. Got some traditional Hanfu clothing right there, kind of cool. We're gonna go back down to our Target Street. A little bit of an excursion there. Got K-pop in the area tonight. And we're still on our Regador Street. Got some nice restaurants. Here's a Haagen-Dazs shop right here. Looks pretty nice. Some of the people go behind me a little bit. So we still got a little bit ways to go to get to the end of the street. It's called Regedor Street. I don't know if it's worth filming all the way down or not. I don't really want to be following people. That's the problem. Because I need to see the back sides of them. And okay, so now we're not following anybody. Another restaurant, ice cream shop, Lemon Cello. Macanese restaurant right here. Yeah, Macau always looks kind of busy like this, by the way. Now we got a kind of a Chinese seafood restaurant right here. This lady's always here. And then this will be more, this is kind of like the most popular place for mainlanders because they'll hear about the sea fish. So the sea fish is famous here in Macau. So this is Taipa at nighttime. And we're just going to go down a little bit more. We're going to go to the end of the street. The end of the street, this is called Regador, so you can see the street sign right there. So let me highlight the street real quick. So there's Regador. So we are going to continue down, and the Galaxy Casino is straight ahead. So we're gonna walk all the way down to the Galaxy Casino. It's another famous restaurant, Litoral. Authentic Macanese cuisine, it says. Restaurant Litoral. There's Frangi. It's another, I think it's Portuguese or Macanese. Pork chop bun. So we're gonna go down just a little bit further. We got a few more restaurants down here, including the Spanish one, Don Quixote. Then there's an Italian one called La Cina Italiana. And then the Galaxy Casino is straight ahead, so everybody here can come into Taipa through the Galaxy Casino right there. Regador. And you can also see the station right there as well, so. So that's the Galaxy, and then that's Paycoke Station. And you can see all the casinos up that way. And that's the station, everybody's coming down. You got the red lights of the sunset. And then you got our Target Street right there. So that's Regador and Taipa Village. So you got to see Cunha, the main kind of tourist food street, and you got to see this street right here, and there was even a concert going on, K-pop, off to the side there a little bit. So a little taste of Macau for you. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.